Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Xumo Stream Box not loading or opening, cache, update and reinstall. To fix a Xumo Stream Box that is loading or opening, perform a hard power cycle, clear the system cache, a menu guided set or trigger a host system update. Fix 1. The 60-second hard reset clear volatile cache. Disconnect the power cable from the back of the Xumo box. Do not just turn it off with the remote. Then press and hold the power button on the Xumo box itself for 10 seconds while it is unplugged. Now leave the device unplugged for a full 60 seconds and then plug the power cable back directly into a wall outlet. Avoid weak USB ports on TVs and let it boot up completely. Fix 2. How to force a system update. Press the home button on your Zoomer remote and navigate to settings, which is the gear icon. From there, select system and click on system information. Now click on check for updates or check now. And if an update is found, let it download completely without pressing any buttons on your remote. Fix 3. How to reinstall or refresh apps. First, clear local application data. Open the settings menu, then go to privacy and then go to locally stored data. Now select clear locally stored data and confirm your choice. This will clear the cache for all installed apps and require you to sign back into some of them. Fix 4. Refresh network connection. Go to settings, then go to network. Now select review network connection to test your current speeds. Choose setup Wi-Fi to disconnect and reconnect to your router or switch to an Ethernet cable for a direct uninterrupted connection. Fix 5. The final resort. Factory reset. Go to settings, then go to system. Now select factory reset and enter your parental PIN if prompted or confirm the prompt. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes for the box to reset, then download the latest firmware and prompt you with the initial activation screen. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.